In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Lovable web app into iOS app. So it's pretty simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to open your app, which you want to convert to iOS. So let's say I'm going to choose this sandbox site. So open the project. Then click in top right corner on publish button. And you need to publish your site. And then copy this URL. So this is your URL. You can also copy it from this live preview. Then go to Google and search for convert web app to iOS. Then you can search from many sites. As you can see, there is many sites. I'm going to choose, let's say I'm going to choose this first one, median.co. I'm going to choose it. And here you need to paste your URL, build your app. From here you can see this is your website URL. You can name your app and then click start building my app. From here, you can customize it. You can upload your app icon, as you can see, iOS or Android. So you can upload it here. So let's say I'm going to click on change image and I'm going to upload, let's say this one. As you can see, this is your app image right now. So this is how is it going to look like. You can click save and you have many options here. So let's say you can customize interface here. You can set some permissions. You have also some native plugins like social login, Firebase Analytics, and many more. So now once your site is uploaded here, so you can click on click to start app. So click on it and this will load your preview of your site. So you need to wait a second. As you can see, this is your icon. And now you can scroll through your site and you can check if everything is working. So let's say I'm going to click on sign in to subscribe. And as you can see, you need to sign in. So everything is working. Now, if you scroll a little bit, you need to click on download. And from here, you can choose even from Android or iOS. So to be able to download iOS file, you need to click on this configure signing. So click on it. And from here, you need to connect your Apple App Store. So through API, so connect your Median organization to your Apple developer account through API. So click on manage connections. And from here, you need to connect it. And once you have it connected, you can click on this build button and this will download your iOS file. So for example, I'm going to show you how you can download source code. So click on build. So now just click on download. And that's pretty much same with this iOS file. And then once you have your iOS file, you can upload it to Apple App Store.